Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to create a simple yet stunning neck design that is both elegant and easy to make. Let's begin. First, I cut a piece of cotton fabric into a long strip. To give it structure, I pasted pasting paper underneath the fabric. Next, I created a long piping strip to make butterfly shapes and then cut it into small pieces for the design. I carefully placed the butterfly pieces on the fabric with pasting paper. Then I sewed along both sides of each pieces to secure them. I am not showing this process because the video is too long. This design is on my YouTube channel. To enhance the look, I added white pearls to the design. These pearls being a touch of elegance to the overall pattern. After completing the pearl design, I placed it on the front neckline of the shirt and stitched it neatly into place. Now for the main work. I prepared a long strip of fabric reinforced with pasting paper and added lace to it. To shape it, I fold the lace trimmed fabric, leaving a 1-inch margin on both sides. Using pins, I secure the folds to ensure they stay in place while sewing. I stitch the folds carefully on both sides to keep them neat and secure. Finally, I attach this lace trimmed piece to the neckline. It with the pearl and butterfly design, and there it is a beautiful, elegant and absolutely gorgeous neck design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Stich Muse for more wonderful design ideas. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.